What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Michigan Muscle. Today, as you can see from my keychains, I've got my daily and my race car tag, meaning the Audi and my Camaro. I know a lot of people have been saying stuff about the red wheels on the Audi, and frankly, I'm not the biggest fan of them either. I've actually been trying to sell the car, and that's been the biggest deterrent. So today, I'm gonna go get the wheels powder coated on the car. It'll be there for a few days, so I'll make a video when I go pick the car up. But my brother's gonna follow me over there in my Camaro, and just like a lot of you guys have been asking, for a comparison between the Audi and my Camaro, we're gonna get that for you today. So let's go ahead, fire the cars up, and we'll get going. Little brother. Little cold start on the Camaro. This car is just so obnoxiously loud. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! All right, guys, the Camaro pulled pretty good, as you saw, so we're not gonna worry about any other rolls. I don't wanna get too embarrassed in the Audi, but from the dig, I tried launching off that light like you guys saw, and the light timed out, and my launch control timed out too, and we didn't get a good hit. So I'm at the powder coat shop right now. We're gonna get the car looking a lot better and hopefully more saleable, and we'll try to get some runs in when I pick the car up. But let's go get one last final walk around before the wheels aren't red anymore. All right, guys, so that's how she looks. Hopefully, when we get it back, somebody will be more inclined to buy it, and hopefully it'll look a little bit better. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.